Hi, my name is Layla. I will be your consultant through your hair transplant operation in our clinic. Are you ready to visit our exciting and beautiful city, Istanbul, for your surgery? Here are some things you should know before the operation. We advise that you refrain from smoking a week before and a week after the operation. Stop using finasteride or any blood thinner medication a week before the surgery. And do not consume alcohol the day before your operation. When you are packing, don't forget to pack a shirt with zipper or buttons that can be fully open. You will not be able to wear a t-shirt, so you will need a buttoned or zippered shirt after the surgery. You can also take a travel pillow with you. You may need it on your flight back. After the surgery, you will be provided with a medical kit which contains washing products. Each of them is 150 milliliters. You are advised to keep them in the luggage. Don't have your hair cut before the operation. The doctor would like to see the current situation of your scalp and will make the planning of your hair. On your flight day, please send us a message before your plane takes off. And don't forget to let us know if your flight is being delayed. When you arrive at Istanbul, a driver will pick you up. He will be holding a bag that reads either T34 if you are coming from Istanbul Airport or E3 if you are coming from Sabiha Gökçen Airport. He will take you to the hotel. You can have some rest. On the day of the surgery, please have a good breakfast. You can enjoy the big Turkish breakfast at the hotel. Be ready at the hotel lobby at the time we have told you. We will come to pick you up. And don't forget to bring your passport and the payment with you as well. We are looking forward to seeing you in Istanbul. Bye!